All right, so we have fresh ground pork. This was Nugget. She provided us some high quality pork. Nothing special here, but in a few minutes, this will be the best breakfast sausage you have ever eaten. Once you start making your own, it's so hard to go back to store-bought. So welcome back to Oak Haven Homestead, and we're gonna waste no time and dive right in to making this sausage. Now, the key to the best breakfast sausage, the ingredients. Fresh ground pork, ground sage. Now, some people are gonna wanna use rub sage. That is kind of a texture preference, but for my wife, she likes the ground sage, so that's what we use. Then we have some ground thyme that we put in. Black pepper, salt, nutmeg, cayenne pepper, coriander, paprika, and brown sugar. Now, we will put the exact measurements for these in the description so you'll know how to mix this per 5 pound packs. Now, you can break it out to figure however you want to do the math as far as 1 pound or 10 pounds, but the description will be for a 5 pound pack of sausage. Now, the next thing we've got to do is mix this up. We'll be right back. All right, once you get your seasoning mixed up really well, that brown sugar will clump up in there, so you want to make sure you bust it up real good. You're just going to pour it in. It's a lot of seasoning. It's going to look like this right here. Highly recommend some latex gloves, because as you work with this pork and the seasoning, it's going to get really, really sticky. And then we just start working that spice in. So we're just going to take it here. And then what you'll see is this meat, it has a lighter tint to it, but as you work that seasoning in, that meat's going to darken up. And you just work it, work it, work it. Now this is probably a lot easier if we had a meat mixer, but I'm too cheap, I haven't bought one yet. So we're just doing it the old-fashioned way, by hand. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and bore y'all for the next 5 minutes with this, but what I will tell you, as soon as we get done mixing this all in, we have a very important ingredient that we save for the end. You don't wanna miss that. We got it mixed well. See, it's got a darker texture to it. Can smell the spices in it really well. We have one more ingredient that you must add to this, and it's none other than maple syrup. So we love maple syrup in our breakfast sauces. Now, if you're not a fan of maple syrup, this breakfast sausage just like this will be fine, but if you like maple flavored, we put 1/3 cup of maple syrup in our 5 pounds of sausage. And then we're gonna mix that up really, really good. Just kind of knead this in. Get that syrup all through that meat. It's gonna get sticky, of course, with the syrup, but the flavor is undeniable. This is the best breakfast sausage you will eat. Guaranteed. I'll say that, guaranteed. Unless you're a person that doesn't like breakfast sausage, you probably won't like this. But if you like a good Southern style breakfast sausage, this stuff right here is the best. And it's really, really good on biscuits. Make you a sausage biscuit with this, or we just like to eat with patties. But working in good. And then our next stage will be packaging. So we vacuum seal everything. If you've seen any of our previous videos, like we do our chickens, we vacuum seal it. But what we like to do is do 1 pound packs. So we get about 8 patties, 8 to 9 patties to a 1 pound pack. So for a breakfast, typically for us with the eggs and everything, 1 pound does well. Sometimes we might do 2, but for us, it's easier to manage the packages in 1 pound packs. So we're gonna get this balled up together. We'll do our 1 pound packs, and then we'll move over to the vacuum sealer. Okay, one thing I almost forgot before we get to vacuum sealing this stuff together is you have to try it. So we always take our first batch. We'll make us some patties like this right here. Just gonna make us a little patty. We're gonna fry this up and we're gonna give it a taste test before we put this in packages, just to make sure we like it. But we've made this enough that we know that we like it, but for you, you might want to fry one up, see if you want to add more salt, more pepper, less salt, more cayenne if you like it a little bit spicier. So don't forget this part, it's very important. We'll get a little taste test here in just a minute. All right, so our taste test is done. We got it flavored just the way we like it. Now it's time to package it. We have our 1 pound balls in our vacuum seal bag. So these are the 11-inch wide bags. They're about 8 inches long, and we're just gonna seal that up. We don't flatten them out here yet. So what we've learned is that you kind of press them down here. It gets all the air out before you spread them out. So we're gonna do this. Okay, now you got it sealed in. Then what we'll do is we flatten them out. So this makes it so much easier to store in our freezer. Gives us a lot more space. Don't have clumpy packages of sauces falling out. Boom, got it put together. It's ready to go in the freezer. So that's it. That is the best breakfast sauces that you will ever eat. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And anything that you have that you recommend or something that you like or didn't like, please drop it in the comments. We'll see you on the next one.